dear students, welcome to my channel. This video is about a Python program to work on vectors and dot product. But before that, if you are not knowing how a vector addition is done, a scalar multiplication and a dot product is calculated, then do watch the video. Link is in the description. The program is to enter a vector u as nList, enter a vector v as nList, and then find a vector au plus bv for different values of a and b. If you can see here, the scalar vector multiplication is done and then the vector addition is performed, and then finding a dot product of u and v. So let's have a look on the program. Okay, let's have a look at this program. For this program, we don't need to take any package. There's no need of taking any package or importing any package, you can say. I just included 5 empty lists. As you can see, u list for vector u, v list, and then au plus au, bv, and then the final list for storing the answer. I just take an input n1 from the user. Okay, it's an integer input for entering how much elements the user want to be there in the vectors u and v. Just asking at once because different number of elements in both the vectors would not give you an answer, and that won't be correct. Okay, so that's the reason why we are taking the elements for u and v vectors at the same time. And then I am iterating the n1 with our for loops for taking the elements of u vector and v vector individually. As you can see, I have written for I in range of n1, so it is going to take the element ele. So it's saying enter the element for u, and whatever the elements are being taken, those would be appended to our u list, which we took at the starting, an empty list. So the elements would be stored in this u list, so that would be a vector. Same way I do for v vector. Now I am just printing, okay, that the elements of the vector u are this u and the element of vector v is v. So it will just show the elements whatever are there in these two lists. Both the list would get printed. Okay, and the next is I display a menu for say vector addition, that is for au plus bv I have written vector addition, and the second choice I am giving for a dot product, and then I am saying 3 for exit. So it will go till while loop is true. Okay, so I take the choice, an integer input, I ask the user enter the choice you want to perform. Okay, and if the user is entering the choice 1, a vector addition should be happening, that is calculation of au plus bv. But for that I will have to take the values a and b. So I take the input, I say enter the element for a, and then I say int of input, enter the element of b. So hereby I take the elements a and b. Then what I do, I need to multiply a with all the elements of u vector, and I need to multiply b with all the elements of v vector. So again I am making use of a for loop. So for I in range length of u, so whatever number of elements are there in u, each element u of I, each element needs to get multiplied with a, and whatever the answer would be there, that would be later appended to the list au. And then I say just the scalar multiplication of vector u with a is au. The same way I do for I in range of length of v, elements of v, that is vi, should be multiplied by b scalar, and then it will be appended to the list bv. So it will be printed that the scalar multiplication of vector v with b is bv. So I have done the scalar multiplications individually. Now I need to add it. That is, I need to do the vector multiplication. I need to do the vector addition. So I am going to write for I in range length of u, I do au of I, individual elements of vector au. Au was an empty vector right here. So individual elements of au plus individual elements of bv should be added. Yes, and then it is going to return me the sum au plus bv. So all the elements of au and bv, corresponding elements, would be added and would be stored in sum, and then I append to the final list, and that is the addition, vector addition which I want. So vector addition of au and bv is final. Whatever will be there, whatever elements would be there in the final list, that would appear. Now say if the choice is 2, that is I need to calculate a dot product. So I'm just taking a empty list, say p, and for whatever length of u is there, whatever the number of elements in u would be there, because the elements in vector u and v are just same. Yes, both the vectors are going to have same number of elements, so I am just multiplying the corresponding elements from both vector. As you can see, I have written u of I into v of I, so corresponding elements from both the vector are getting multiplied and it is stored in p list, an empty list which we declared here. Okay, now I say vector multiplication of u and v is p, so just whatever the multiplication of corresponding elements was there, that is stored in p, but I need to calculate the dot product. For that I will have to do the sum. Yes, it is sum of product of corresponding elements. So again I make use of a for loop, and then dot I have initialized to 0. As you can see, dot equals 0. So one by one I am going to add. So dot plus first element p of I. Yes, 0 plus first element would be added. Then that would be stored to dot. Again the second element would be added. So this way I can just sum up all the elements in my list, and then I finally get my dot product. So I just print it, that dot product of u and v is dot. So whatever is stored in dot, I am going to get that answer. It is just going to be a single answer, it is not going to be a vector. And then if the choice is 3, I am just writing a break statement so that I can exit from here. And if any wrong choices are given, it will show that the input is incorrect. So this was the coding of doing vector addition and dot product. Let's run the program and see how the output looks like. So it is showing me enter the number of elements to be entered in both u and v. So I just for simplicity I am telling 2 elements I want in my vectors. Now I am entering the elements of vector u. So I say 1 and the other element be 2. And now it is going to ask me for 2 times, as I have said that the number of elements need to be 2. Now I will enter for vector v. So let's say 3 and 4. Done. So it is just showing me that the elements of vector u is 1, 2 and elements of vector v is 3, 4. The menu has came showing vector addition and dot product and exit. I say operation 1. So after telling operation 1, it is going to ask me for elements for a and b. Okay, so I just enter a as 5 and b as 6. Any value you can give. So a into u will happen, a u. So 5 into 1, 5 into 2, that is 5, 10. And then bv will happen. So that would be 6 into 3 and 6 into 4, that is 18 and 24. Okay, so this is the calculation of AU, this is the calculation of BV. Now I need to add both. So just doing the addition, vector addition. So 5 plus 18 would come up to 23 and 10 plus 24 would come up to 34. So this is how the vector addition of AU and BV will be done. Now say I enter the choice as 2 for dot product. So the answer comes up as 11. If you see, I just multiply the corresponding element. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4. That is what is dot product. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4. So 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 sums up to 11. And the dot product of u and v is 11. Again enter the choice you want to perform. So I just enter 3 so that I can exit. So this is how you can do a vector addition and dot product calculation by writing a Python program for the same. Hope you would have understood it. Share it with your friends at maximum so that they also will be able to learn how the things work. Thank you all.